Hello friends, hope you all are good. Today I wanted to show my project which I built during my training in CCBP 4.0 intensive program. This project is related to COVID-19 real-time data. The name of the project is COVID-19 dashboard. You saw this project. This is a website which I published apcovid19.ccbp.net which I mentioned also in description. You wanted to check, please check this website. In this project, I mainly used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, ReactJS, and I also used the Recharts third-party app for bar chart and line chart, and also Figma tool for designing purpose. In this project, I mainly create five routes: home route, about route, vaccination route, state-wise data route, and not found route. This is the home route. And this is a homepage of the COVID-19 dashboard app. The header section, in header section, the logo of the COVID-19 and the home, about, and vaccination. We want to redirect on home route, you click on home or about on the vaccination. And COVID-19 logo, if you click on COVID-19 logo, you also redirect to the home page. And this is the search container which you want to search a specific state wise data or a district data, each state and district data. You click you search in this search bar. This all the data, this data is confirmed, active, recover, and recent is the number of cases in country. In India country, there is a recently there is a confirmed case of the this one, and active cases, recover, and the recent. And this table is contained all the state-wise specific data. For example, the Andhra Pradesh, there is this much data is confirmed, active, recover, receipt, population. The population of the state is also mentioned in this table. These are all the 20, all the district, 28, 29 district, and the 7th union territory. And there is a footer section of the homepage. If you want to this data in the sorting order, there is a alphabetically order, and we if you click on this, there is a descending order of alphabetical. W is then U and after T, and these all complete and the field Andaman Nicobar and the Andhra Pradesh the alphabetical order. Okay, and if you want to search specific data like I want to data of Gujarat, then you in click and this click on this, then you will go to the state-wise data route. All search here is the Gujarat, and you click on this, you also go to the state-wise data route. The state-wise data route, you saw this the website contains state and slash GJ. GJ is the state code, and these are state-wise data routes. In this data, you show the name of the state and the total states contained in the state and last update. The confirmed case is active, recover case, and recent case. If you click on confirmed case, that the top district of this Gujarat is, and the number of confirmed case in each district is view. You click on the active button, and the top district of the Gujarat and the active cases of the Gujarat is so the Valsad and the 44 active cases, and recover the Ahmedabad is the two 2,34,889 is recovered from the COVID. This is the good news, and this is and on this data, the chart of the this is a bar chart. This data is regarding this data. The bar chart is contained, and each day data of last 10 to 12 days, the confirmed cases of this in Gujarat, all over Gujarat, the date-wise data, and the spread trend. This is a line chart. I using this create this data, this chart and this chart using Rechart. The third-party application is React. In React, the line chart of active, recover, and the shade and the tested. All are the line chart. If you wanted to check other state, Then you will get in the Chhattisgarh, you will get the data of the Chhattisgarh, the top district of Chhattisgarh, and the data of each district, and the bar chart and the line chart of this all this data of this Chhattisgarh district. Okay, if you click on this and you go to the home page. In about section, the about route. In about route, there is some FAQ regarding this website. Is official? There is, are you official to know? And where some question regarding where can I find this data for this? When, who are you? Something like this question. And the fact regarding COVID-19. COVID-19, what to do during COVID-19, the social distancing and the essential things like help out the elderly and breaking them the grocery and any other thing which one we need to do during the COVID crisis of our section in the vaccination. Vaccination section in the under construction. The data is insufficient for this. That's why I will not build this section, the home section. Okay, this is all about my project. Hope you all enjoying. Thank you very much.